How to convert USDT to TON on Bitget Wallet. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to convert your USDT crypto into TON in your Bitget wallet. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do is to just simply open your Bitget wallet, and then once you're here, what you want to do is simply just go click on wallet, and then once you're in your wallet, make sure that the top right corner right here of your screen is set to TON, just like this one right here. Make sure that this is set to TON. Then after that, once it's set to TON, what you want to do now is to just simply click on USDT, and then once you're here, what you want to do now is to just simply click on swap. And then from here, what you want to do is to make sure that USDT is on the top and TON is at the bottom. And then once you're done, what you want to do is you just simply input the USDT that you want to convert. So for example, just input 10, and then after that, it will display the USDT into TON currency. Then after that, what you want to do is just simply click on this button right here, and then after that, you are now done, and then it will now start swapping, and then you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to convert USDT to TON on Bitget Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.